Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar dropped 0.5% against the yen in the last session. The ROC's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin dollar pair rose 0.3% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.2% during the session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The gold gained 0.6% against the dollar in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The oil dollar pair rose 3.1% in the last session, after gaining as much as 3.7% during the session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil rose $1 a barrel as tight supply moved back into focus as a result of Saudi Arabia floating the idea of OPEC Plus output cuts to support prices and the prospect of a drop in US crude inventories. The dollar held firm on safe haven flows, while the euro languished around a two-decade low as investors braced for a hard winter in Europe as it grapples with energy supply and broader economic growth concerns. iFinex, the company responsible for Bitfinex derivatives, announced the launch of a new service offering available to users before the highly anticipated Ethereum merge. The exchange now uses Ethereum chain split tokens.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US durable goods orders will be released at 12:30 GMT, the US non-defense capital goods orders at 12:30 GMT, Finland's producer price index at 0500 hours GMT. Germany's 10Y bond auction will be released at 0930 GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment at 2350 GMT. Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.